wood shop, trying to build my little puzzle box. Tight tolerances. Not often when you're doing woodworking do you need one of those. And I put my sandpaper with adhesive on the back, put that on glass so I can get everything nice and flat. I've got 80, 180, 220 on my glass. And then I put it on my mat so it doesn't move around on me. Get everything nice and flat. But the whole idea of the puzzle box is to take my stone and to fit my stone in the box. So I pull my lid, very tight tolerances, just enough to get the pieces out. And I still have problems since I got no fingernails. But problem is, first layer, there is no room to put it in. Again, no fingernails there. Okay, so I take out my first layer. That is number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm into my second layer. Again, no room. Just enough to get the blocks in and out. Allowed a little bit. And I have another 4 pieces. So I'll dump those out. Nothing in the box. Box is good and solid. All the way around. Nothing in the sides. No voids. So the whole idea is to now get 9 pieces inside the box. Yeah, I'm going to set this down. Okay, again, nothing in the box, no voids, everything's solid. Alright, so then I have my bloodwood, purple heart, black walnut, oak, tiger wood. Use some hardwoods so the kids are able to learn something from that also. Okay, so now I'm going to put 9 pieces back in. I took 8 out, I'm putting 9 back in. Alright, here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and my stone. And my lid fits. Question is, where'd you pick up the volume?